Good night, my name is André Felipe Penagos. I am 25 years old. I'm from Colombia and I still living there. Um, I know this was not the proposed activity, but I couldn't do it because I was very busy at my work and I have other personal problems. So between the time that I have to work and do all the activities proposed by the university, I just have a little time to rest and then organize my work. So I apologize myself for that, and I know that my presence and participation in the course was not the best one, but for my own, I do all I can to learn English, to practice every day, and I think that's why I have a middle level because every single day I try to learn it, practice it, and study it. So I want to use this space to apologize with my teacher from the English course and tell my reasons. So I hope you understand me and you see this video, and maybe you can recognize my work in the following video in the step 2. So uh, I don't want to talk about my personal problems because maybe people think that I use it to as a pretext to, but really eh, I have a lot of things together and it's very difficult to me affront all of them, but I do the best I can. So I hope I tell again, hope you understand me, and thank you again for watching this.